Bishop Akanjuna ari kutongoza umurimo ogu yayoreka ngo abakristayo bashemereire kukora ekirikubasika kwerekanisa kukora umurimo murungi ngo kandi eki nikija kuhwera omu kushomesa abashaho ab'omutindo.
We are growing steadily. We cannot take it for granted. It's just by grace of God that as my predecessor, the Right Reverend Engineer George Bagamundani Mama Chris, who were here as your bishop, they began this. I cannot take it. I'm not beginning from zero. I'm beginning from somewhere.
Contract age era maraho shilingi miliyoni nkaga kandi ezakorwa mu myezi 4. Turaganisa ka company ko turakora turakora umurimo mubwire kandi turakora umurimo murungi munonga.
Manzi Gordon owajwekera disi wa Kabale yashaba abukirukwataho kukora ekirikubasika kureba ngo umurimo ogurakorwe gwabaguriyo gw'omutindo gwihikire.
Many times, of course, we have had issues talking of poor project implementation. We have to take, of course, part in every stage of the project execution. We need not just sit and say we designed the project, it was formulated, we got the contractor, we have launched the project now, it's up to the contractor and the board to manage the project. It's for us all.
2 certificate programs in nursing and midwifery has grown to another level of providing training, diploma in nursing, and soon diploma in midwifery that will be starting.
Omuganda makuru abegombora ya Kicenche omu district y'Ibanda nibenda gavumenti etungure irwaro ryabo erya Rwenje eryomoraka. Ebi bigambirwe ubwo abatura begomboregi bakozere baraza ebireye bembirwe omunyishengero w'Ibanda South John Paul Ninkusima ekorirwe ahirwarere.
Ekirwaro nireberera omuka gwa Rwengo gona kureberera igombore icyo cyangwa cyansase ko buseri katongure nejaha kanoni pateze uri mu ruhangano nejaha twine secondary school ejeri yarwo rw'umoro twine primary mpango munonga ibiri akanyuma twine school zaka kufidinga rwa reri twine honesty eryaha primary twine crane junior eryaha twine trading center na eryaha abantu bona obureza n'abagisha
aba bagira ngo irwareri ryino mubaro mwingi gw'abarwire.
Yo district ekintu kikugisaba nakyo ne cyongero ministry yeta kucibasa akwa sentezi kuiza kugira ngo ebehere center 3 nazibazira nyingi konkani kibasika twatisabire
akorere tune n'umuzarisa umuzarisa ryaha umukama w'inchaje w'urwaro nogwe abantu barakuragurira embazi n'imicaga ry'amazima embazi yo n'imici
abo kwenda kutereza omubuhereza district ehundwizirwa reri na miliyoni 5.8.
Nanye nitsibashita kwenda amateka kukora amsharo gumwantire ho mukukora mwebemezi nanye nkadire kinakoraho rero government yizana yekonjesereza.
Gashakwa Job Namanya Apoli na Timose Mushabe.